Hi, it's me again, and we're driving to school and it's raining, as you could see, and I'm in a seat, and Arthur doesn't have a hat, so she's gonna get soaked, and I have a hat right here, and Mama said I can't see, and she's driving like nobody's watching. And she said that. But I could only see the lights, so bad idea. And why'd you say date? And I bet I'm probably gonna be sick because I'm in the rain. Yeah, because yeah. So I am the master at vlogging except for Penny. So she can't vlog. On my channel, she cannot vlog. And I am the best vlogger in the world. Not. Ha! I only started 2 days. 2 times. Maybe. And I am subscribe. Bye bye.